just gonna give you a couple of little hits here, half throttle, full throttle, just so you can see what's going on with the motor. That's about a 3/4 throttle pull right there. You can see it all depends on the throttle deflection and the RPM, whether you hit a little bit of a hole in the fuel map. But I would say 95% of the map is correct. There's just little spots here and there that you might hit, like I said, especially when it's cold. So as soon as I get some more open area, we'll do a couple more drive-bys and you can check it out. Right here. If you heard that pop right when I hit the throttle, that was at like a 25% throttle deflection. There was a little bit of a hole. That's where you get a little bit of that breakup, but obviously it pulled right through it fairly quickly. So that's about the extent of what. Try to do a longer pull here. Truck is fast. Try to do one from a slower speed. See right there? It broke up at that speed when I floored it. But I mean, you get through it. Like I said, it's just that little bit of throttle deflection where there's a hole in the map.